was lying on the grass, looking at the sun. And the sun became a cloud. And the cloud became a lady. And she told me she would talk to me. And then her feet began to bleed. And I saw there were holes in her hands and in her side. And I tried to catch the blood as it fell from the sky. But I couldn't see anymore, because my eyes hurt. Because there were black big spots in front of them. And she tells me things like, "Marie, right now she's crying, Marie." But I don't know what that means. And she uses me to sing. It's as if she's throwing a big hook to the air, and it catches me under my ribs and tries to pull me up. But I can't move, because Mommy is holding my feet. And all I can do is singing in her voice. It's the lady's voice.